The most beautiful thing in this world is to see someone living only because of you. Today we have Mamta Agarwal, a fashion designer and a teacher of art of living. Mamta is happily married with two teenage kids and promoting the world of fashion with her brand Cosmic Knot, supporter of wellness and social causes. She is also supporting organ donation and the community of LGBTQ. Let's talk to her and find out about her most unique journey today. Hi, Mamta. Thank you so much for being here today for me on my series From the Heart. And it's so beautiful to have a daughter like you speaking to me today. So, what I want to ask you is I know that you're an organ donor for your own father. And by God's grace, it's been so many years that you've seen him live in front of you. If today you have that moment to go back to that decision all over again, would it be any different?
So definitely not. Divya, it's been 9 years and my father's with us. And actually, I always thank him because after the kidney donation, I actually realized my life purpose and my life completely changed. I transformed as a person and everything in my life changed. So I feel that this all, a lot of people come to me and they say, oh, what a good thing you did and everything. No, it had to happen actually for my life to change. And I always ask, a lot of parents come and talk to me and they get emotional that बहुत बड़ा काम किया बेटा. I actually ask them one question कि आपके बच्चे को जरूरत होती would you have donated? And instantly they say yes. So why not kids? What are we thinking?
Yeah. That's so beautiful. But I know being a daughter, both of us can understand that life's very different.
Yeah.
Especially when we are talking about daughters in
Yeah.
India. So, what message would you give to all the daughters out there and why?
So I would say actually that even if you're married, your parents are equal. So please take care of them, as equal. Like don't forget them. I know you have a life of your own, husband, in-laws, kids. Yes, but what about them?
Yeah.
So I just feel that don't forget them and take care of them equally.
Equally.
Why are we in India supposedly only if they have sons? The sons have to take care of them. The bhabis have to take care of them, take them to the doctor. But why not the daughters?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a equal responsibility.
Completely.
Yeah.
It is completely equal responsibility. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, as you said, sometimes the worst in your life teaches you the biggest lesson.
Yeah.
And I'm also an example of that.
Completely.
Today, if I even talk about it, sometimes I feel like pinching myself that my life completely changed in that one moment
Yeah.
when I lost my own father.
Yeah.
And since then, it's been a different journey altogether. And the same thing happened with
Yeah.
you also. So, what are your thoughts about it?
So can I talk about your book?
Yeah, of course.
So I've read your book recently. Actually, I finished it yesterday. And the whole time I read your book, and I think I was just crying. It was so emotional, and how you took your father's death in such a positive manner, also. And you actually celebrated his life and not just, the grief. So I feel that, and whenever I read the book, I was just so emotional. And so, Divya, when I read that how close you were to your father, and how your father was so expressive, and it was just so opposite of my father. My father was just not strict, but he would be like, I think my mother was just always like your father.
Okay.
And he would just be quiet and he would just, just work for us. That's it. And we didn't have a lot of communication. And, when I read your book, it was just so beautiful. It was like a fairy tale. Yeah. I wish I knew your father more.
Yeah, I think that was my only purpose because I remember a friend of mine calling me, like you, after she read the book. She said, how many memories do you have with your
Wow.
father?
Wow.
Because that was the whole purpose
Yeah.
of bringing him to that book.
Yeah.
That if he could give me so many memories to cherish,
Yeah.
so many thoughts and beliefs to follow, why not tell the world that what an extraordinary father he was?
Father and person,
Yes,
actually. I
yes.
read all the testimonials,
Yeah.
all the messages he sent, and all the things you mentioned about how much he's helping. don't know a single person who was like him. So actually, there's a great learning from your book and from your father's journey, that how one should be. If we've come in this life, we've come to actually have a purpose.
Yes.
So be helpful to others and be actually helpful and useful.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I actually learned from your book.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Mamta. And I just hope that, you have been a beautiful daughter to your father. I hope I have been one and making him proud in heaven. But together, let's just, pray and believe that there are more daughters who
Absolutely.
understand that their life also has a purpose.
Yeah.
And if they've been given that most beautiful childhood from their own parents,
Yeah.
why not just, pass it on to generations to
Yeah.
come?
Yeah.
We also have the full right to carry forward our parents' legacy as
Completely.
much as the other sibling might have.
Absolutely.
And it's time we take control over it.
Completely.
Because I think memories are only beautiful till we know and are able to cherish them.
Yeah.
Because when moments become memories, we will not even get to know.
I know.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much, Mamta, for being with me today.
It's
Means a
my
lot
pleasure.
to meet
It's
such
my
a beautiful
pleasure.
daughter.